Welcome back today with Excel with Mark, and what we're going to be looking at today is the filter option within Excel. We can see here that we have a data set from A to K, and what we're going to be doing is learning how we can look at all this data within its different variations, and if we need specific variations within that, how we can pull that out. Starting out then, you can click anywhere within your data, and we want to go up to the data tab and click on the filter up here. We can see that once this arrives, or once we've clicked on that, all these little arrows appear at the top of each of the columns, and with that we can then start to click into this and break this down. If you don't want to click up onto the data and then into filter, another way of doing this is pressing Ctrl, Shift and L. Once we're in this then we can click into it and we can see that we have a little bit of a drop down menu, and it brings up all the different variations within that particular column that we can click on. We can deselect all of them, or we can click and select all of them at once. And what we can also do is use the search bar here, and say if we put in bull, then what it will do is within that column it will bring up everything that has bull within it. Looking into column B then, what we can do also, if we have numbers and things, we can go from the smallest there, which will bring up the percentage which is highest, okay, and then obviously changing that to the sorting it the other way around, that it will do it the opposite way around for us. So if we just want to filter everything by that, then that's one way that we can look at it. So if we were looking at speed, for example, we can sort it there and we can see which one would be the fastest, and we can see that we have that there. Within the filters as well, we have the ability to select various different things at once. So if we need to be more specific than just kind of having one thing or a whole variety of things, we have that ability. So if we were looking at types and we want to know if something is legendary, so we can see within type 1 here, so if we click into that, we can see all the different types that we have here. So if we deselect them and say we want something that's electric, it will now bring up all of the electric ones there for us. Clicking into type 2, say, then we have all these different selections again. See, we want something that's flying, okay, and we can see there that we have legendary, we have 2, but to remove that one, if we were to just click on the 0, leaving the 1 remaining, we can see that with our selections of electric, flying and legendary, that we have these 2 options here available to us. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an insight into filters, how they work, and some of the ways that you'll be able to kind of obviously filter out that data for what you need and get them results for you. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.